B syndrome, common clinical patterns. Common clinical patterns. The most commonly encountered clinical patterns include migratory B, wind B, painful B, cold B, fixed B, damp B, heat B, lamb B, chi and blood deficiency, and liver kidney depletion. Migratory B. Wind prevalence lead to migratory pain in various joints. Painful B. Cold prevalence leads to severe pain that is aggravated by cold and relieved by warm. Fixed B. Damp prevalence leads to fixed pain with numbness or a sensation of heaviness. Heat B. Heat prevalence leads to severe burning pain and the color red appearing at affected locations. LAM B, long-term B syndrome, leads to distorted joints, spasm, and contracted muscle. Chi and blood insufficiency, sore joints with a sensation of heaviness, dull pain, or obvious numbness, accompanied by fatigue and weakness, pale complexion and lips. The tongue is pale with a white coating. The pulse is deep, deficient, and slow. Liver and kidney depletion. Long-term B syndrome failing to be addressed leads to swollen, distorted, stiff, and dysfunctional joints, accompanied by a sore lower back, weakness, and aversion of cold, and a preference for warmth. The tongue body may appear red, pale, or dim, possibly with stasis dots. The coating may be white or yellow, and the pulse is commonly deep, 3D, or wiry. Acupuncture and moxibustion treatment. Point selection according to channels. Mainly select points on the young channels. Distal points along the affected channels are commonly selected to treat B syndrome, such as points on the gallbladder, urinary bladder, large intestine, and stomach channels. Points on both hand and foot young channels can be selected simultaneously. Emphasize the use of specific points, he, she, you, one source, 5 base points, and etc. Point selection according to location. Select joints near the joints or acupoints. Any painful point is an acupoint. Is an effective guideline for B syndrome point selection. Commonly used points include shoulder, large intestine 15, Sanjiao 14, Sanjiao 10, elbow, large intestine 11, Sanjiao 10, lung 5, heart 3, small intestine 8, and wrist, Sanjiao 4, Sanjiao 5, LI 5, and small intestine 4. Back and spinal region. Do 14, do 12, do 3. Hips, gallbladder 30, gallbladder 29, and bladder 54. Thighs, stomach 32, bladder 37, bladder 36, bladder 31, and gallbladder 34. Knees, stomach 34, and gallbladder 33. Ankles, bladder 62, kidney 6, bladder 60, gallbladder 40. Select points on the young channels of the lower limbs. Gallbladder 31, gallbladder 38, stomach 36, bladder 58, gallbladder 39. Point selection based on pattern differentiation. Migratory B. Points for dispelling wind and unblocking the collaterals are commonly used. For wind pain in forelimbs, commonly used points include gallbladder 20, gallbladder 31, large intestine 11, Sanjiao 5, gallbladder 34, spleen 6, large intestine 10. 2 additional points that regulate the blood can also be added, bladder 17 and spleen 10. The use of blood regulating points is consistent with the ancient adage, Regulate the blood flow first to expel wind. The wind may extinguish when the blood circulates smoothly. Painful V. When a cold pathogen is reliable to injure young chi, treatment should focus on warming young. Commonly used points to warm the young chi and dispel cold include DO4, DO14, RAN4, gallbladder 34, bladder 23, and stomach 36. PIX-B, caused by the spleen failing in the transportation and transformation and the kidney failing in chi transformation. Select points that fortify the spleen and eliminate dampness, such as spleen 9, stomach 36, and stomach 33. Hit B. Select points that clear and reduce heat toxin, such as DO14, large intestine 4, and large intestine 11. Number 5, lamp B. Select stomach 36, RN4, RN6, bladder 23, and kidney 3. Moxibustion is commonly used. In acupuncture treatment, needling is mainly employed to stop pain. Migratory wind B, painful cold B, and fixed damp B should be treated by acupuncture and moxibustion together. Moxibustion is contraindicated and hit B. Madali lang pong tandaan din yan, yung basta't pag may wind, yung migratory po yung pain, lumilipat-lipat. Yun. Because the pathogenic chi can enter the collaterals and result in blood stasis in long term. Cases of B syndrome, bleeding therapy can be used at the points near the joints. Ashy points or at its site where the distended veins appear. The amount of the bleeding varies based on the location and size of the blood vessel. Thank you for your attention.